Hello, I'm Prerna Modi. I am an executive director at Wells Fargo. I had the privilege of being part of Tanmatra Women in Leadership program. It's been a transformative journey for me. As the word Tanmatra, meaning essence in Sanskrit, it essentially captures the essence of this program. It helps us to unlock our true potential and look beyond what we are doing in the current role. And so this program has truly helped us in kind of introspecting ourselves, looking at the diverse network here.
For me, this journey has been an intellectual bliss, professionally and personally. The professors brought like a bank of knowledge with them. Most complicated subjects were taught in such a easy way that we could understand, and it inculcated a habit of reading and being more relevant to the context of world. They also touched upon certain core values like legacy, what we want to leave behind. I'm extremely thankful to the professors and the program Tanmatra, because of which I have a vision and I'm definitely going to aim higher.
The knowledge, the support, the energy and enthusiasm and passion that comes out of each and every course that is taken by the professors at IIMB is phenomenal. It is worth an experience every minute that we are in a class. This program has taken me not just to the next level, but has given me a platform which consists of network of supporters and friends who I know will nudge me and push me forward if I stumble or if I fall.
I came into the Tanmatra course with just a thought of building my leadership. But when I came in, I really learned the framework of building my leadership. So 3 of the points I learned: you have to be brave and introspect a lot more. Build on your strength and also focus on your weaknesses which are holding you back. Other thing is, beyond your day-to-day work, look at the broader picture, what's happening in the industry and where you can take your organization forward. Not the least is as a guidance from our phenomenal professor. Mentor more women, bring them to the leadership position and win together. Thank you.